neck. You could use a block too as well, honestly. Engage your abs and begin to drop your knees side to side, warming up the body, warming up your spine, and activating your abdominals as well. Right, left, right, left. Beautiful. Reach through your legs, grab your ankles. We're going to start with a gentle hip opener here. It's going to get intense, I promise you. So gear up for it. Make sure you listen to your body. Continue to breathe. Pull out your ankles. We're just getting settled in. Grab the bottoms of your feet. Pull your knees closer towards the floor. Happy baby pose. Rocking side to side, warm it up. Lovely. Move your hands to the insides of your feet. Continue to pull your knees down deep to both sides. Pulling, pulling, pulling. You're doing amazing. Keep breathing, finding stillness. Release your